Now I walked these rails once before and it was still a little frosty out and I wasn't able to tell very well, but check this out.
1925. Right on.
Now look at the condition of this here railroad tie. It doesn't even look like a railroad tie. But when I flipped it over, check it out. It's a 1915 dated nail. Oh, that was in good condition too. 1915 right there. It's a good one. Do you see these railroad ties? This is how deep I'm searching. And luckily my hammer helped me find a 1920. This is where I should be using a metal detector because you can't even see these railroad ties.